I'm at Keystone today, and the ground is white, and the sky is white. And I want to figure out what the best white balance setting is for these kind of conditions. I noticed that when the sun is out, the white balance, when it's set to auto, makes for amazing videos. But when everything's kind of gray, I don't think the colors are as good. So I'm gonna play with the settings, and hopefully I'll find something that looks good. I thought you were gonna do a backflip for me.
Oh, I'm sorry.